Welcome back to the channel. The 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia is a revival of an automotive icon, blending classic design with modern technology to create a car that appeals to both enthusiasts and everyday drivers. This is not just a nostalgia-driven reboot, but a carefully crafted reinterpretation of a beloved classic. Volkswagen has managed to capture the essence of the original Karmann Ghia while integrating state-of-the-art engineering, making this car a standout in the modern automotive landscape. The exterior design is an elegant blend of past and present, with smooth, flowing lines that pay homage to the original model. The front end features a minimalist yet striking appearance with slim LED headlights that retain the oval shape reminiscent of the 1950S Classic. The lack of a traditional grille further enhances the clean and aerodynamic aesthetic, relying instead on hidden air vents that activate when cooling is required. The Volkswagen badge sits tastefully at the front, maintaining a subtle presence without overpowering the car's delicate proportions. The sculpted hood flows seamlessly into the fenders, creating a sense of motion even when the car is stationary. The side profile is where the 2025 Karmann Ghia truly shines, with a low and sleek silhouette that remains true to the spirit of the original. The doors are completely flush with the body, featuring hidden handles that only appear when touched. The glass house is designed with a wraparound effect, enhancing visibility while giving the car a futuristic look. The fenders are slightly flared, adding a muscular stance without detracting from the car's overall elegance. The wheels are available in 18-18 and 19-inch options, featuring a retro-inspired design with a modern twist. Optional white wall tires can be added for those who want to fully embrace the vintage aesthetic. The car's stance is lower and more aerodynamic than its predecessor, improving handling and efficiency. At the rear, the design is a perfect balance between nostalgia and innovation. The iconic teardrop-shaped taillights have been reimagined with LED technology, providing a crisp and distinctive lighting signature. The Volkswagen emblem doubles as the trunk release, keeping the design clean and uncluttered. A subtle integrated spoiler deploys automatically at high speeds to improve stability, blending seamlessly with the car's curvaceous rear. Unlike the original, there are no visible exhaust pipes, as the new Karmann Ghia is available in both hybrid and fully electric configurations. The rear bumper features a minimalist approach with a diffuser that enhances aerodynamics without disrupting the car's smooth lines. Inside, the cabin is a masterclass in combining classic aesthetics with modern functionality. The dashboard is elegantly simple, featuring a single sweeping design element that echoes the car's exterior curves. A fully digital instrument cluster replaces traditional gauges, but can be customized to display vintage-style dials for those who prefer a retro feel. The steering wheel is a two-spoke design wrapped in premium leather, incorporating subtle touch-sensitive controls that disappear when not in use. The center console houses a floating touchscreen infotainment system that provides access to navigation, media, and vehicle settings while retaining physical buttons for climate control to ensure ease of use. The sound system has been developed in partnership with a high-end audio brand, ensuring an immersive listening experience whether cruising down the highway or navigating city streets. The seats are upholstered in a combination of sustainable leather and microfiber, offering both luxury and eco-conscious craftsmanship. The front seats are ergonomically designed with excellent bolstering to provide support during spirited driving, while remaining comfortable for long-distance travel. The rear seats, while compact, offer a surprising amount of space compared to the original model, making the new Karmann Ghia a more practical choice. Ambient lighting lines the cabin, subtly adjusting based on driving mode to create a relaxing atmosphere. Storage compartments have been cleverly integrated into the design, ensuring that practicality is not sacrificed for the sake of style. Under the hood, the 2025 Karmann Ghia is offered with two powertrain options to cater to different driving preferences. The first is a hybrid setup that pairs a turbocharged two-engine Ford with an electric motor, delivering a combined output of 250 horsepower. This variant provides a smooth and efficient driving experience, ideal for those who appreciate a balance between performance and fuel economy. The second option is a fully electric model, featuring a dual-motor all-wheel drive system that produces 350 horsepower. With instant torque and a 0-60 mph time of under 4.5 seconds, this version transforms the Karmann Ghia into a true performance machine while maintaining its refined character. Both models benefit from Volkswagen's advanced chassis tuning, which ensures a comfortable yet engaging driving experience. The adaptive suspension system automatically adjusts to road conditions, providing a smooth ride for long journeys while tightening up for more dynamic handling when needed. The electric power steering is precise and responsive, offering excellent feedback without being overly heavy. The braking system includes regenerative braking in the electric model, allowing for one-pedal driving in most situations and enhancing efficiency. The car's lightweight construction, thanks to the use of aluminum and high-strength steel, further improves performance and agility. Pricing for the 2025 Karmann Ghia positions it as a premium Grand Tourer rather than an entry-level sports car. The hybrid variant starts at approximately $48,000, offering a compelling mix of efficiency, technology, and classic styling. The fully electric model, with its increased power and advanced features, comes in at around $58,000. Several customization options are available, allowing buyers to tailor their Karmann Ghia to their personal tastes. Special edition models with exclusive color schemes and handcrafted details will be available in limited numbers, adding to the car's exclusivity. For potential buyers, the 2025 Karmann Ghia presents an intriguing proposition. If you are someone who values heritage, design, and a refined driving experience over outright performance, this car is an excellent choice. It captures the charm and elegance of the original while incorporating the best of modern automotive technology. The hybrid model offers a practical and stylish alternative for daily driving, while the electric version delivers exhilarating performance with zero emissions. However, if you are looking for a hardcore sports car or a high-powered track machine, there are other options on the market that may better suit your needs. Volkswagen's decision to bring back the Karmann Ghia is more than just an exercise in nostalgia. It is a tribute to an era when cars were designed with emotion and artistry. The 2025 model successfully blends the past and the future, creating a car that is both timeless and forward-thinking. It stands out in a sea of aggressive, angular designs by offering something truly unique. A car that prioritizes elegance, driving pleasure, and individuality. This is a vehicle for those who appreciate the finer details in automotive design, for those who want to stand out without shouting. That wraps up our in-depth review of the 2025 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia. Let us know in the comments what you think about this revival. Has Volkswagen done justice to the legendary nameplate? Would you choose the hybrid or the fully electric version? Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upcoming review. Until next time, drive safe and keep your passion for cars alive.